Okay, y'all. Came out here to see about, the little trip that I just did in Bakersfield with my cousin. And it's going to be in an upcoming video. She took me to her gym. And I really loved it mainly because of the swimming pool. But she, let me get this locked up. Okay. Anyway, she looked up and seeing that we have the same gyms here in our neck of the woods. So I am coming here to check out. This isn't doing right. It's supposed to be there, right? Right here. Oh, we'll worry about that later. Door's locked. Okay, there we go. Anyway, I came to the gym to see about, hear about maybe getting a membership, but look at how full this parking lot is. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get in a tour or whatnot, but we'll see what happens. She drove all the way out here, might as well see what happens. I'm also gonna need to find out like their busy times. I think this is around their busy time. Now all these parks come open. I'm parked way back there. Anyway, I'm in a shaded area, so that's cool. Get on by here. Alright, so there's the gym there. And I think it's pronounced Chuze, but we'll find out when we go inside.
Hey.
Bye.
What can I do? I'm going to leave over there. I'm going to have you fill out the discount.
Okay.
And then over here is a body composition. So it's index, water weight, your weight in general, and all that good information. Where the massage chairs are. So it is 3
Hard that light.
And it could go up to 95, 100 degrees.
Ooh, it's pretty warm.
It gives you a really good workout in here if you take one of the heated classes.
I bet. Those or this on the schedule, or those usually in the morning?
So it's 2 times a week in the morning and afternoon.
Okay. All right.
Your time on these.
Ready, go. All right, bring it. Come on, bring it. All right, what's that? Right there. 6. Oh, good. Now get the fingers, it's all over.
Ellipticals.
Anyway.
While you watch a movie.
It's really cool in there too.
It is. It's cool in here and warm in that other one.
Training in a group environment. Half of the class is doing cardio, the other half is doing strength. The trainer does recommend you wearing a heart monitor, but it's not required. And you can see how you're doing. You can need to go more easy or difficult. It will show up on the screens so he can look at how you're doing. And then if you're really competitive, it's a really good class. And then each day is different, so you're not doing the same thing. The little schedule over here what you want to focus on.
Okay, and then is this only available for the team training, or can you come in here at any time? And
Only
see?
team
Only
training
during
for this
team
one,
training.
yeah.
Okay. That's good to know.
And then they have
All right, I'm all signed up. Got my little Chuze Fitness thing, and of course there's always the app, but there's a little swim noodles. This is the main thing I'm signing up for, is for swimming. Coming in here to use the pool, which is right there. And then they also have in there and through there is the gym, and also over there is the gym. But this is going to be where I'm at most of the time. Okay, I'll probably utilize this too. Steam room. There's people in there, so I'm not going in. I didn't do the hot tub because someone is in there, but it's over there. It's the hot tub. There's things here. These are like an elliptical. Kids club. Okay, and then back out the front door. The group fitness over there had a class going, so we couldn't look in there, but they have the Chuze Blends fueling station right here, and a menu. It's here. All right, y'all. Chuze Fitness. Hopefully you are able to see enough of it. You know, in the gyms, you can do some recording, but you have to try and keep people's faces out, and it's a little hard when you're trying to get the machines and they're on the machines as well. So hopefully you got kind of an idea. I do have a video coming up where I was at one with my cousin, so you'll get to see more in that video. Although we were in the swimming pool, most of that's going to be the swimming pool and some of the hydro chair that we were in, a little bit of that. But yeah, I just wanted to throw out a little quick video for this week, since I didn't get to do one for Monday, which is today. I didn't get to do one this morning, put one out this morning, because I had to do that trip down to my cousin's to support her. But I will finish up the video, not finish it up, but get out another video for next week of, I think it's part 3 of the Alaska cruise video. So I'll get that out next Monday, and try and get this one out, if not today, tomorrow, just to have a video out for this week. And so you guys could see this fitness center. I didn't even know we had these here. Chuze Fitness. And I like the U in the middle is like a person with their face, that circle. is like of their face with like they're holding up a weight or exercise. So that's pretty clever. Anyway, that's going to conclude this video. Again, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and please subscribe. Hit the like button for me and comment on the different videos so we can dialogue. All right, you guys take care. Stay safe out there. Get out there and have some fun. Enjoy life, and may God bless you in all your endeavors.